Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back to question number 16 on our 2009 Cayley contest. Rectangle PQRS is divided into 8 squares, as shown. The side length of each shaded square is 10. We get some 10s here, some 10s here, 10s all over the place for the shaded squares, and we want to know what's the length of the side of the largest square. Okay, well, these shaded squares make up the right-hand side, and they can give us a side length QR for our rectangle. Now, this doesn't tell us everything, because, of course, PQRS is a rectangle, not necessarily a square. Although I will remind you, squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. Had a university student recently try and correct me that somehow squares weren't rectangles. No, if they 4 sides with right angles, you're looking at a rectangle. Squares are just the special case where the side lengths are equal. So we'll just draw our picture again. Oh, it doesn't line up exactly as I recall. It's a little lower. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll say that those are squares. So the 10s over here tell me that this whole thing here is going to be 30. Now, I don't know the big square's side length, but we'll switch things up with a little bit of color here. I can say that it's going to be 4 of these smaller rectangles. So rather than call the big side length x and then each of these x over 4, I think it would probably just be easier, because I don't like fractions, to call these smaller side lengths x. And so it's 4x that we're looking for. But how can this possibly help us? Well, since it's a square, we've also got 4x here and x here. So it turns out 5x will equal 30. So each of these smaller squares has side length 6. We want 4x, the big square. And so that's going to be 4 times 6, 24. So 24 is the side length of the largest square, and that is going to be B. And there we go. So that finishes off question number 16. Up next, of course, question number 17. I'll see you there.